somebody gave my son-in-law and my daughter the idea, and we thought, how are we going to make this work? So we kept working until they decided to get a dill pickle, make a quart of dill pickle and put a hot dog inside and dip fry it.
Really good. And the acidity from the pickle helps with that sweetness with the farm dog batter. Yeah, really good. This is kind of my dream food right here. Hot dog, pickle, corn dog, one bite. Saved me a lot of trouble. It's perfect.
It's been unbelievable. I mean, it's just like, I didn't think it was going to be like that. I thought it was just going to be another item at the fair, but it's becoming an instant hit.
This corn dog had steroids for breakfast.
Oh, yes it did. We've got the softness from the corn batter, crunchiness from the pickle, and then the tenderness from that hot dog.